everyone, I have a Bath and Body Works haul to do for you guys, and I've gotten a lot of stuff, so let's see here. I'm going to show you, I have to open this package. This is my first purchase, and I know that I purchased another bit of stuff that will come shortly too, so goodness gracious, I'm getting prepared for Christmas and I am loving that. This time I bought a lot of soaps because they were on sale for I think $2.95. Yes, $2.95 each, which is an awesome deal for their soaps. So this is mostly soaps. And it's not all for, like, I don't think I'm going to do stocking stuffers, although that's what I was thinking when I first opened it, but I'd forgotten that it was soaps, which is fine. I like soaps, but I think that I'm going to do these, like I'll give one to my kids in a care package, probably a fall care package, because I think that they will appreciate it then a little better, because these are fall scents. So let's see. I got apples and brown sugar. I'm going to open them up and smell them. That smells really good. It kind of smells like an apple crumble, which is apples and brown sugar. Holy cow, that smells good. That would be fabulous for fall. Fabulous. And this one is Pink Peach Blossom. And it smells peachy. It's very nice. It's not fabulous to me, but it's good. I love the apples, brown sugar. This one I like. It's good. This one is for my son for sure. It's a stress relief, aromatherapy, eucalyptus, and tea. So let's see how this smells. It's very nice. Gosh, it's very nice. It's clean smelling. And I love the color. It's pretty. I actually got two of those, so I might put one of them in his stocking. And next I have the Perfect Autumn, it says. And I got all of them in the foaming hand wash. That's my favorite. The Perfect Autumn. Gosh, that smells good. I smell apples for sure. Oh, I don't even know what else, but it does smell like fall and it smells fabulous. This is also an apples and brown sugar section. These are awesomes. Awesomes. This one is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. They're sometimes hard to open, which is, I guess, a good thing. That one's good. It's not great, but it is pumpkin-y. Smells good. It does smell good. I'll put it with the peach one. This one is Almond Blossom. I love the smell of almond, so I thought I might like this. Almond Blossom. Oh, yes, I do. Oh my, that's a good one. It smells very clean, too. I think it would go with anything. This says almond milk, coriander, and vanilla sugar. Oh, I didn't realize they were. This one says fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, and crisp apple. This one is baked apples, brown sugar, and flaky pie crust. So no wonder that smells like the apple crisp. The Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin is, doesn't say, but let me guess, it's cinnamon and pumpkin. And the Pink Peach Blossom, Pink Nectar, Magnolia Petals, and Mandarin. This one is Crisp Morning Air, and it doesn't tell you either, and it feels like it's leaking a little bit, or something is. That one smells really good. It's very crisp and clean smelling. Yeah, very clean. It smells really good. I don't know, that one might be a toss-up between the two sections. This one is Perfect Pumpkin. I liked it because it had a cat on it too. Carved pumpkin, sweets or spooky cinnamon, and moonlight vanilla. So pumpkin, cinnamon, and vanilla. Smells a lot like the other pumpkin one, honestly. I think that these two might be the same, just in different packaging. Could be wrong. Could be right. I don't know. And, oh, I got 2 of the sweet cinnamon pumpkins because I really liked that one, I guess, when I was looking at the things. Thought I'd really like that one, and I do. This one's called Sunshine and Lemons, which is kind of a fun name, and I love lemony scented things in the kitchen. Wow, this smells good. It smells like lemon head candies, like that. And this says Yuzu, grapefruit, and sunrays. So it doesn't even have any lemon in it, but it smells like lemon heads. It smells good. I like that one. That one I'm for sure keeping. And then I have a vanilla birch, which I don't know what this one smells like either, and it doesn't tell me. I mean, sure it's birch, but I don't know what birch smells like. Huh, it smells woodsy and a little vanilla-y. It smells a little bit masculine. It's nice. It's a very light scent. It's very nice. I like this one. Oh, and it says, oh no, it doesn't say anything. This is a White Barn Vanilla Birch. It's very pretty, or very nicely scented. And what's this one? Oh, this one's flannel, and I think that sounds neat. And it says crisp autumn air, heirloom mahogany, and cedarwood. I feel like I've smelled this before, but I cannot remember what it smells like. Oh, I love it. It's very masculine. Oh, this is a favorite. This is really good. I like that a lot. And I love the color. I am keeping that one for sure. And then it looks like I have 2 of the pumpkin cupcakes. Oh, and I'm glad I do because it smells like pumpkin and cupcake. Baked pumpkin, whipped vanilla frosting, and golden honey. And that's what it smells like, frosting and pumpkin. Oh, so good. So I will be gifting some of those to my children, and then some of them I'm going to be keeping. And then I also got the pack of antibacterial little lotiony things. My daughter is a teacher, as I've said, or she's a student teacher right now, but I'm sure she can use these. And this one is Crisp Morning Air. So this is one of the ones that I'd gotten in the lotion. Oh, and it does smell fabulous. That's really nice. And then champagne apples and honey. I kind of got some of that out, and I didn't mean to. I squirted it out. And of course it's red, so I'm getting it everywhere. Trying to wipe it off of the... It smells really good though. Oh my goodness. That smells way better than a lot of apple-y things to me. I don't really like the smell of apple. I mean, I don't mind it, but it's not a favorite scent. But that smells really good. Champagne, apple, and honey. There's not that big, like, red apple scent. It's more, gosh, it's more fruity. It smells really good. Pumpkin cupcake. It smells good, but the soap actually smells a little better, but it smells good. It's not as sweet smelling as the soap is. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Is that what this one is? So where is that one? Oh yeah, sweet cinnamon pumpkin. So let's see. Gosh, I can't hardly smell this. It might be because I have too many other scents. Oh yeah, it smells good. It smells like cinnamon, or pumpkin. It smells really good. I didn't mean cinnamon. It might have some cinnamon in it, but I smelled the pumpkin. And then finally there's Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Oh my, that smells good. Oh, that one smells really good. That one might be my favorite. Oh my goodness, yes, this one is my favorite of these. Oh, those smell good. So that's fun. And I don't think I need any, so I'm going to, I I might just send all of them to Katie in one of her care packages, and I'll probably send her the pumpkin cupcake too, because I think that she'll like that. And then I will keep some for myself, of course, for home. And yeah, so this was a pretty decent package. I like it. And I know that my kids will like some of the ones that they've gotten. And I think that helps make them feel like they're grown up, even though, you know, they're still young. But, you know, they both have their own apartments now, so that's a big deal. And it's fun to help them when I can do some things. And if it means sending them a soap or two and some care packages, then I'm all for it. And I know that you other moms understand that. So it's fun to do. And, you know, just shows them that you love them and you're thinking of them. I'm going to put these in here so I can take a little picture. But these are very nice. I think I got some good ones. Which one is your favorite? What do you like best? Do you have a recommendation? I know I love Moonlight Path too, but I wanted to try fall ones. That's kind of what I was after this time, if you can't tell. Because fall is my favorite. Now, I don't know why I bought 8 million of them, because I'm never going to go through all of these in the fall, but I'm really liking that flannel one. And this apples and brown sugar. Oh my gosh. Those are probably my 2 favorite. And then I think my 4 favorites are the apples and brown sugar, the flannel, the, oh, what's it called? Almond Blossom, and probably the pumpkin cupcake, probably. So yeah. Let me know what you guys like, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.